Hi guys, welcome back to Anton R91's YouTube channel. This is video number 7. Right, well first of all I'd like to sort of answer some of the messages I've been getting on YouTube and comments. I do apologise about the long wait. My flying has sort of taken, well, my flying has taken priority over all the engineering stuff as starting my commercial training or finishing I should say. And yeah, lots has actually been done since the last video. I have actually had this loco round the track, and as you'll notice I am at my local engineering society. This is the layout they have here, and it's I think it's about 1 to 1.5 kilometers long. This is the Vale of Aylesbury Model Engineering Society, and I'm just at a siding here where I've got a bit more quiet so I can make this video. I do apologise, I haven't got a tripod with me. It was a bit of a rush this morning, so it will be a little bit shaky. I'll try to put the camera down like this perhaps when I'm talking, so you can actually get a look at what's going on. There is also, I don't know if you know, this is the Buckinghamshire Railway Centre, and there's various railways here, including a steam and a main line, so there's lots of noise still. I can't get away from that. But anyway, let's get on to the locomotive here. So what I've done is it now has wheels, which have it's actually been sat in a shed here for the last 6 months, so it's all got a bit tarnished. But it's got the wheels there, I hope you can see. Go around the other side so I don't get the shadow. There we go. And they've been sort of welded, and they've had pins put through them as well. They're taper pins. And I showed you the chain and all that last time, and the bearings. Again, this has been re-welded. The mount. All coupling there, and same on the front. There's just a the back of the wheels is actually just a bolt. That's the method I went for. Like these actually. It's a kind of bolt, and yeah, it's just been welded. It was originally pinned, but it's now been welded because there was a few issues with derailing, and the shock of derailing actually broke the pins, so they've been welded as well. And I've got the Golding Springs Miniature Railway driving trolley here. Right, so really I just want to talk about, or show you the loco running, because this is what I know you guys have been waiting for. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'll start it up, and I'll show you it running from various different angles, and I've got a bit of line here to run on. I don't want to run on this one here because they've got the passengers and stuff coming around today. Still want to get in the way of that, but I've got a bit of line to run on between there and those two water towers just there. So I'll do a few shots, some of me on the loco with the camera, and some of the camera placed on the platform here, and I'll drive past so you can see how the loco works. It's actually quite powerful. As I said, it's got a 1000 watt generator powering a 800 watt 36 volt traction motor. Right, well I've had to actually relocate because they're shutting up shop here, and I've also lost the driving trolley because that has to be locked up back in the shed. This loco is actually coming home with me because I'm doing more work with it. Just while I'm here, I might as well show you a quick very brief tour. This is the Garden Railway, so if you're interested in the live diesel models that I make, this is the Garden Railway they have here. This is the part of the 5" and 7¼ layout. I'm at the opposite end to what I was earlier, and this is the real railway they have. here, right in the countryside in Aylesbury. But anyway, back to this. So I'm just going to show you really it running. Now I can't, I'm a bit of a disadvantage here because I can't show you me sitting on it and actually driving along. But what I can show you is the engine running and it powering itself. I'll have to make a video part 2, 7 part 2, to show you the show you me going around the track now as they've looked everything up. But okay, so what I'll do, as I said, I'll put the camera down. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, so things may be a bit hairy here. I'm not too sure how this is going to work. But right, let's see what happens. Oops. Okay, there we go, it's running. And it's the same old. Right, now what I can do is try and get the throttle in my hand here, and I can just, there we go. Right, let's see if we can get going here. Well, it's running away from me a bit there. When it starts to run away from me, it pulls the cord out of my hand and actually pulls the accelerator. Like if I just step backwards, look, it wants to go forward. There we go. I mean, I can actually probably sit on the top of this, which I'll do now. And there we go. You can see as I actually push it, it's the generator. The traction motor becomes a generator, and the generator becomes a motor, spinning the centrifugal clutch. There we go, it's derailed, putting my weight on the back. Get that back on. Oh yeah, so what I'll try doing this time is actually clambering on here. It's a bit weird because I'm not holding on to anything. Right. Off we go. Oh. That's as far as we got before that. I had a little derailment there, but get the general idea. Let's just cut the end of that there. But there you go. There you can see my 5-inch gauge petrol electric locomotive there. It runs, it works, it hasn't got suspension, which is the next topic I'm going to talk about really, as it derails a lot, which is very frustrating. But I was warned about that, so yeah, here we go. So I think this will conclude my video part 7. But thank you again for watching, guys. Please subscribe, stay tuned, comment, rate, like. Thank you very much.